Hello guys, welcome back to the Dutchcarsofficial channel. Today we're reviewing a friend's car, Polo 1.4. It's one of the newer ones. He has done some mods on the car. He has put the red stripes on the car, as you can see here, black logos. He has a beautiful front splitter, so that's really nice detailing of the car. Red stripes on the side. He has some awesome black wheels, very nice rims from Borbat. This is his Instagram. I'll put it also in the description, so make sure to follow him. Show him some appreciation for letting the car for us to review and to make a POV of it. He also has a spoiler in the back, as you can see here. It's a really nice spoiler, very well done, very well made. He has some stickers also on the car. This is one of the teams that we are in, Team Vrijheid at the Heart is it called. It's pretty nice. It's a very nice car, very classy car. Very well kept. He has not done a lot of mileage, and also he has a bypass at the end. I will be showing you what it sounds like. Let's get the inside and let's start the POV. So this is the inside of the car. It's a really standard Polo, but he has done a really low mileage, just shy of 88,000 kilometers. And I said I would let you hear the bypass. He has a limiter, but it still sounds really cool. Well, we'll be taking the car for a spin, and you'll be coming with us for a little POV run. This is just like a car that you could drive daily. He has done some mods on it to make it a little bit more aggressive, and the car feels really well to the touch. Like the handling is really easy. I can do your turn just with one finger. So that's really amazing if you're not that skilled of a driver yet. And the more skills you get, the harder the cars will become. Because if you go sports cars, they are a little bit harder to handle. But we'll be taking around here. We'll do a little pull in third gear. It's really not bad for an atmospheric 1.4. Really not bad. I've driven shittier cars by the same motor, so this is a really nice feeling. You have also some little pops when you change gears. Now we'll do a second gear pull. It's pretty aggressive. For a Polo it's really aggressive, especially for a normal Polo, not even a turbo one. So really not bad. Didn't expect it to be this aggressive on the second gear pull. So we will be doing that again, because I really enjoy that. When he hits the 3000 RPMs, then you feel that it's really wanting to go forward. Pulls really quick. Really nice car. But it's like more a chill type of drive car. It's a really nice car just to drive. Actually not that fast, just enjoying the views. A really nice car to take on a tour or to go somewhere with family, friends. Really nice car for it. Like if you drive it around the 2000 RPM, it drives really nice, really steady. It's a car that you can drive for a long time and not get bored of it, because it's just really easy to drive, and it's really inviting car to drive because you don't have to put so much effort in driving. When I drive in mine, it's a sportier car, so I have really, the steering wheel is a lot stiffer. It takes a lot longer to make a turn around the corner because it's much stiffer. This one is just like, I'm doing this with one finger and really nothing, I'm not even doing any effort. So that's really nice for just a daily driver. So maybe, if everything should be alright, I would like a car like this for a daily drive. Really nice car for daily driving. I have to go a little bit slow here because they have been, the police has been checking on people that are driving around here pretty fast, because this is like really a racy part of town. Everyone likes this road because it's a really racy road, and I am not the one that wants to pay a fine for driving a little bit too hard. So we'll be just cruising it down here. But we have 80 road coming soon, so I'll be seeing you there, and then we will do a quick pull. So here we are. The 80 road is coming up to the right. We will be giving people a little bit of a head start so that we can gas a little bit. Here we go. Gear went a little bit wrong. It's really hot inside the car. We have a really hot day in the Netherlands, so I'm sweating my but we're still doing the POV. But the car goes really well, especially the second and the third gear. They perform really well. Really enjoy driving this car. It's a really nice car for daily driving. A lot better than mine for daily driving. And it's actually not that slow for a 1.4. I thought it would be slower, but it really doesn't feel that slow in the car. Really enjoy that. Now we'll be going back. There's some motorcycles driving around. It's a really nice day for motorcycling. Also, if you see some mods or some options that you would like to know more information about, be sure to contact them for more updates. He can explain you a lot more than I can. There we go again. Going for it. I really went for it. Really nice. Pull's really nice. Really nice pull. But it's like a safe car. You can do a pull like this and you can still feel pretty safe in the car. As when you go in my car, you feel like everything. Every little bump on the road you can feel. You can feel everything. So that this car is a lot more enjoyable to do pulls with it. And if this car had a turbo, it would be a really nice addition to this car. And who knows, in the future he may put a turbo on it or not, or maybe buy a new one with a turbo. But that would be a really nice addition. Like that extra little bit more power would make this car really amazing. And but for the rest, he has really a lot of nice options on the car. The car is well kept. It's really nice to drive around in this car. So we're at the end of this POV, because we don't have a lot of roads that we can drive really hard now, where the police are always checking on everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this POV. I really enjoyed myself driving this car. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a POV on your car. I would really love to do that. So make sure to comment down below. Make sure to follow my friend Nick on social media. I'll put the link of him right here, and I'll put the link in the description, so check him out. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.